guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing Scratch. No, not Scratch, I mean Python. Yeah, we're going to be doing Python. And in this game, we're going to be doing, it's not actually a game, but yeah, it will show the date. So it will show you the date and time. So yeah, this game is going to be like that. So we're gonna do it slow, steady. So yeah. So then from date time, I'm gonna do this video a little slower, or I'm gonna do the code a little slower because some people can't write too fast. But if I'm going a little too fast, you guys think, then you can pause the video. Yeah. And then for date, and then comma time, and then comma DAPETIME. That's date time. And then list equals to day. Day equals date dot today. Date that today, and then the brackets, and then now equals date time dot now. Wait, no, not like that, like this. Press that to get out. And then we print that. No, not print. Print. So then we put the brackets, put the double quotes, and then we put today's date is, and then we go out like this. Then we're going to be putting, no, wait, I don't need space like this. I'm going to do it like this, and then I'm going to press now, and then, yeah, and then we're going to be doing print, print, and then my internet's just not too good, so yeah, print, like that, yep, and then gr like that, and because this slash makes it go red, we had to put an N, so now it doesn't turn red and there's no errors. And then current DATE and time is, and then we put a comma, and then we do, no wait, we're supposed to be going out. No, that was an accident. And then we go in here, we do like that, we go out, we do like that, and then we go now, and then we do another print. PRINT, print. And then this, that, where's the button? Well, right here. And then we put N, D, A, T. And then, wait. No, wait. That's bad. Like, pretty bad. Space, and then we go components, 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 and then we gonna do like this, and then we do like that, and then we go today dot year, and then we do like that, and then we put this code today dot month, and then we do another comma like that, and then we do today dot day. So, yep, that was a project. I can probably share it. Oh, no, not with it. This game shows date and time. Wait. Yep, you see today's date and today's date. Like that. And current time is that. Current date and time is like that. So, yeah, that was this game. So, yeah, if you want to see more of these videos, you can like and subscribe if you really want to and you enjoy my content. So, yeah. And my videos, you can also watch them on YouTube Kids. Yeah. So, you can also learn YouTube. You can also so the younger kids can also learn coding. So yeah, if you're a parent and you want your kid to learn coding, you could search up my channel on there. And yeah. So yeah, that was all for today's video. So yeah. So, bye guys, see you next video. Bye.